You are using DroidCam and it's wrong. Use this free and open source software that is way better than any software out there. This recording was shot on S25 Ultra using this software that I'm about to show you. What is this software, you may ask? It's called Scrcpy, and it can even do 4K 30fps or even 4K 60fps. The first thing you need to do is click on the link in the description, scroll down until you see Scrcpy-Win64 and click on it to download it. Once that download finishes, it will take a few seconds. Drag that zip folder to your desktop. Once you got that zip folder in your desktop, double click on it, click extract all and click extract. Once you've done that, you have a Scrcpy folder on your desktop. Double click on it and get inside that folder that's inside, and you have the Scrcpy program installed on your computer. On your phone, go to settings by swiping down from the top and clicking on the settings icon. Scroll down until you see about phone and click on it. Go to software info and click on the build number 7 times to activate developer mode. Go back to settings main page and there will be a section called developer options there. Click on it and scroll down until you find wireless debugging. Open it and click pair with code. Now you will have a code displayed on the screen and an IP address. Note down this IP address and the code. Now that we have the IP address and the code, open the folder that we made on the desktop. Open this folder also, and you will have a shortcut that says open a terminal here .bat. Double click on it and click on run. You will have this terminal window on your screen. Type adb pair, adb space pair space 192.168.1.109 for example. And for example, for the port you have like something 9051. This is the IP address that we got from the phone. When you press enter to that, you will need to enter a pairing code. So type in the pairing code that you got from the phone, something like 123456, doesn't really matter. Put in the same code that you got from the phone and press enter. For me, it's not going to pair right now because I'm already paired and using the Scrcpy feature. So if it will not pair right now. For you, it will pair, and your phone might get a notification saying that wireless debugging is on. Yep, I got an error here. Protocol fault. Now you can close this window and go to the folder that we made again. Just right click on blank space here and create a new text file. Name it camera shortcut .bat. It will alert you saying that the file might be unusable. Just say yes and edit this bat file by right clicking on it and edit in Notepad. Now I have this notepad here. I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to leave that in the description. For 1080p you can just copy paste this. For 4K you can type 3840 x 2160. So that's 4K. Save it. Now we have this camera shortcut and you can just double click on it and it will just work, giving you your camera feed to your screen. But now we have a problem. How do we get this to our OBS or other programs like Zoom or Discord? For that we have a feature called virtual camera on OBS. So you can just get your OBS up here. If you want to just use it on OBS, you can just add a source, window capture, click OK, and you can just choose scrcpy.exe, and this will give you your camera feed to your OBS. Now for the other programs, you will need to do a scene with only your camera, so add scene and say camera, for example. Click OK, and now you can see me, but it's okay. If you add the window capture again in the scene, the same way we did it, you will get your camera feed again. So for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to make it smaller and give you my screen. Now you have virtual camera here. You can edit its settings here and say scene and the camera scene and click OK. You can just start your virtual camera, and now you can choose virtual camera in conferencing apps like our Discord channel that I have made. You can go to a voice channel like so, and if you just click on camera and select OBS virtual camera, you will see when you turn on the camera you get your scene. This is because I'm also showing you my screen. If you hit the screen capture and made the camera like this big, you will only see your camera in the conferencing app like so.